Today's book is titled R is for Rhyme. It is a poetry alphabet. A is for acrostic, drawing, delightful pictures released onto paper as wild imaginations are netted with the grasp of a crayon. So notice that going down, we have the word drawing. That is an acrostic poem. B is for ballad. Ballad of the Butterfly and Rose. In early days of summer came a lovely butterfly. His wings were painted with the hues of sunsets in the sky. He flew around the garden's blooms. However, what he chose to land on was a tiny bud, the smallest unborn rose. He stayed there with the buds for weeks until it opened wide, and petals colors like the sun were waiting there inside. The butterfly danced for his rose, the rose collected dew, a drinking to give her butterfly, and each day their love grew. One evening under brilliant skies, bright yellow, orange, and red, the butterfly and lovely rose, together they were wed. Soon summer passed and came the time when roses start to fade and butterflies leave for the south, yet knowing that, he stayed. The butterfly felt freezy winds, but would not leave his bride, and with his wings wrapped round his rose, together they both died. Oh, that's sad. So on the next line, you are going to tell me, 1, what is the mood or tone of this poem? And 2, what is the rhyme scheme?